It's officially fall, and what better way to eat some of autumn's delicious harvest than with a seasonal fruit tart? I'm not a big fan of the traditional French crust, so I opted for a rich, buttery, and slightly salted shortbread crust to go with that thick and luscious pastry cream, and I infuse it with a little bit of fresh vanilla bean. For the fruits, I went fancy with a red wine-infused pear. I steeped them in some fall spices like cinnamon and cloves and star anise, along with a bit of dark fruit juices. As those flavors were marrying, I started on my buttery shortbread crust, pressing into my tart pan and twice baking. While that cooled, I made the pastry cream. If yours turns out a little thick like mine did, don't worry, I just whisked in a little bit more milk to thin it out. The tart would not be complete without some fresh whipped cream that comes together so quickly. Once you've made homemade whipped cream, you will never go back, trust me. I then top it with my poached pears, plums, green grapes, and some gooseberries. Honestly, any fruit you add would be perfect. I decided I needed to add a little bit more fruit just to fill it out, and look how beautiful those colors are. But the day would not be complete without a visit from my favorite squirrel friend, Rico Suave. I hope you enjoy this tart as much as Rico enjoys his walnuts.